dip that hails from Middle East. It is really easy, really easy. And you know, with just few ingredients, you get a perfect dip. It is just made from cooked and mashed chickpeas, blended with tahini sauce, with your garlic, with your cumin powder, with olive oil, and you have voila, hummus. So today let's make hummus.
Soak the chickpeas in water for 8 to 9 hours or overnight. Drain the water. Pressure cook the chickpeas along with 2 cups of water for 12 to 15 whistles or until the chickpeas are completely cooked. They should be soft to mash. Drain the cooked chickpeas and reserve the stock. Let the chickpeas cool completely. Meanwhile, let's prepare the tahini sauce. Take a pan on low to medium flame and start dry roasting the sesame seeds for 2 to 3 minutes. The sesame seeds would change their color slightly. Then cool completely. Once cooled, put the sesame seeds in a blending jar and grind it. Add olive oil to the sesame powder. Blend it and your tahini sauce is ready. Now let's proceed to making hummus. In a blender, add cooked chickpeas, garlic cloves, cumin powder, salt, lemon juice, olive oil, and the tahini sauce we made. Blend it. Now add a little bit of the reserved stock and blend it again. Do not add all the stock at once. Add in small portions and blend. What you're looking for is of coarse yet creamy texture. See, the hummus is not going to be entirely smooth. It would be slightly grainy. But if you want your hummus to be really creamy smooth, then add more olive oil and stock. Or you can even add water and blend till you get the consistency you're looking for. To serve hummus, add olive oil, paprika powder, or you can even add red chili powder, and coriander leaves on the top for garnishing. Enjoy!
So this is what hummus looks like, and it goes really with your falafels, or you can just enjoy it with, carrot slices or beetroot slices. It would really taste amazing. My personal favorite is having carrot sticks with hummus. It is just so go to your kitchen, make it, and let me know how it turned out to be. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, hi! If you like this video, or even if you didn't like it at all, subscribe anyway and leave a comment down, and I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.